everybody, this is John from 5 Idiots Talking Toys, and tonight I'm going to show you how I prepare mocks for shipment. Let's get started. We're going to do Chris's favorite, prune face. This one has a crack in the bubble, so I already know that, this is something I can use as an example. See the crack right here. The card's not the best shape, but it is a mock, right? It is a mock. So we're going to use prune face. To do this, we're going to need some cardboard, a Sharpie, a knife, some tape, a template, a bag, some smaller cardboard, and the mock in question. The first thing we want to do is get your cardboard prepared. Okay. How I do this is I use this as a template, leaving about a finger width space at the top and bottom there. And then I take my trusty Sharpie, kind of line that up right there, trace around it. That way there's plenty of space here when they slice this open. They're not going to hit the card. Right? So now we got the template. I'm going to cut it. So there's one piece. And I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to use it for the back. We're going to have two pieces. We're going to basically sandwich this mock in between two pieces of cardboard. Okay. Same thing. Right. So there's the first part. We got the front and we have the back. Now we're going to take the mock that's going to be shipped out. I make some marks on the front of the card, and I usually make the cut or trace around the bubble. It's basically what we're doing, allowing enough space for some more cardboard. So there's that. That marks the top and the bottom. This marks the sides. And there. And there. Set him back aside over here. And then using a straight edge, go from mark to mark with a straight edge. There. And then I can use this cardboard as a guide. So right in the center there is this groove. As you see this groove here, right in the center is this groove here. And then right on the edge of this groove where I need to mark the other side. Right? So those would be my long sides of the bubble. Line those up. There we go. And then once again for the top. And that's where the bubble will poke through. So, again, let's score this. So there's the front. There's the front. Discard some of that. Don't discard this, because this is going to be the cover to the coffin. Okay. So next, what I want to do is I want to get a measurement or get a nice idea of the area of the bubble. So I'm going to fold this around this way and then make a mark right here. And I know I'm going to cut this piece short. And this is a little big, a little wide for this bubble. There's still room, you see there? There's still room for that bubble to have some play. So get knocked around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bisect this, I guess slice in half. Okay. And then once you slice it in half, you have another one, right? You're gonna have two there. So slice this in half. And now you're going to have a nice little action figure sarcophagus. Take a piece of tape. Just take a little piece of tape. Make sure that part right there stays in. Flip around to the other side. You can do this however you want, but I want to try to secure this. So you take a piece of tape. Here. There you go. All hunky-dory. So you have the front side here, and then you have the back side. Yeah. I'm going to take our plastic bag. Usually I just use like a Walmart bag or something like that. Take the figure, put the figure in the bag, successfully, and then ever so gently, it wasn't really that gentle, but slide the figure into place. See, that plastic bag holds two purposes. It's going to keep that bubble, or keep the bubble secure into the shipping card or whatever. And then what I do is I take a couple pieces of tape, this, another piece of tape along the other edge, and then I take another piece of tape on the bottom edge, yeah, and another piece of tape on the top edge, and somebody started the dryer. And then I'm going to take the top part of the coffin, tape like that. Take another part, piece of tape, go across the side, and that holds the card in place. And then usually I'll write who it is on there, especially if they have more than one mock, especially. And there it is. Good to go, ready to ship. And then just put it into a box with, you know, plenty of packing and stuff like that. And there you have it. That's how I prepare my mocks for shipment. Now it's dark outside. Don't have any other time to do this. So we're going to have a little experiment with pruny paste, Chris's lover. We're going to throw it, and then we're going to open it and see what it looks like. I might even throw it down the driveway. Yeah, let's try that. It's a bit windy. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to give it the old heave-ho. there it is. I'm gonna throw it again. I'm gonna throw it again. Alright, so as you can see, it did sustain some damage. We're going to open them up and see how the packing fared. Still in the bubble. Still that little bitty crack, nothing major. Looks like there's another crack right there too, a little bit. But still, better than a bubble mailer when shipping a mod. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed this.